now, our topic is all about uncertainty again. Uncertainty is lack of predictability. Ito ay walang katiyakan, pag-aalinlangan, walang kasiguraduhan. Ibig sabihin nun, nag-aalinlangan pa, wala pa siyang tiyak sa kung ano mangyayari, o kaya yung mga desisyon o yung impormasyon ay kulang ba o hindi malinaw. Ngayon, here are the several examples of uncertainty across different content. In science, measuring the length of a table. If you use a ruler to measure a table and get 150.2 cm, there's uncertainty because the ruler has limited precision and your eye can only estimate between the marking. You might report the length as 150.2 cm plus negative 0.1 cm. Weather forecasting. A forecasting might say there's a 70% chance of rain. The 30% represents the uncertainty it might not rain. Everyday life. Number 2. Planning a picnic. You're uncertain if the weather will be good, so you might have a backup plan. Investing in the stock market. You're uncertain if the value of a stock will go up or down. Waiting for a job interview outcome. You are certain if you get the job. Number 3. Math or statistic. Coin toss. Flipping a coin has a 50% chance of heads and a 50% chance of tails. The outcome is uncertain until the coin lands. Estimating population size. When estimating a population size from a sample, there's uncertainty because the sample may not perfectly represent the entire population. Number 4. Language. Ambiguous sentence. I saw her duck. It's uncertain whether duck is noun, an animal, or a verb, an action. Vague instructions. Meet me there later. It's uncertain where there is what later means. Number 5. Business. Launching a new product. A company is uncertain if the product will be successful. Economic forecasting. Predicting future economic growth is uncertain due to various factors. Number 6. Medicine. Diagnosing an illness. A doctor might be understand about the exact cause of symptoms and order more tests. Prognosis. A doctor might be uncertain about how a patient will respond to transmit. Number 7. Technology. Developing AI. There is uncertainty about the long-term impact and ethical implications of AI. Cybersecurity. Businesses face uncertainty about potential cyber attacks, and data breaches. Okay, sa mga example po sa iba't ibang definition or term, content, ang uncertainty is yung hindi mo inaasahang mangyari, hindi mo alam kung ano mangyari. Yung malalaman mo lang kapag ito yung nangyari na, tulad ng hindi mo alam kung uulan ba, may 50% na hindi, may 50% na ulan. Meron din kapag sa weather, kapag diniscuss kung uulan ba o hindi. Pero din namang gumawa ng plan A and plan B kung ano mangyayari kung uulan ba o hindi. Kung mag-picnic kayo or whatever. And that's all.